And welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will be discussing about one of the common question that which provider you should use for doing the broadcast. You should go for marketing messages API or you should choose cloud API while doing the broadcast. So we will be discussing about this question in this video. So let's get started. So let's understand what is marketing message API. So that usually refers to the third-party marketing providers or middleware systems that help manage WhatsApp messaging, broadcast, automation, and integration through their own infrastructure. Like these platforms may provide easier setup, shared infrastructure, additional automation tools, or symptomatic management. And what is Cloud API? Cloud API is Meta's official API solution for providing business messaging, like WhatsApp business messaging. It allows businesses to send broadcast, automate conversation, use template, integrate bots and CRM, manage large-scale messaging directly through Meta interface. So this is what the Cloud API means. Now let's understand which one is better for broadcast. Use Cloud API when you want official Meta supported infrastructure, better scalability, more reliable, faster update, long-term stability, and better control over messaging. Cloud API is generally recommended for serious business broadcasting, large-scale automation, AI chatbot integration, and multi-channel operations. And you should use the marketing message API when you want a simpler onboarding, easier management, additional provider side tools, faster non-technical setup. This can also work well for small businesses, quick deployments, businesses that do not want to merge API configuration directly. So for those businesses, it is fine. Important broadcast considerations are regardless which API you use, WhatsApp template approval is required. The 24 rule still applies here. Meta policies must be followed and quality rating affect messaging limits as well. And best recommendation for this will be like for most modern AI chatbot and automation rules, Cloud API is usually the better and long-term choice, especially if you are using AI agent, advanced automation, CRM integration, and high volume broadcast. You can also go for hybrid approach. Some businesses use Cloud API for core messaging and broadcast and choose tool for additional management and reporting layers. So this is the hybrid setup that can provide you more flexibility. So that's all about this video. So now as per your need, you can go for one of these as required. In case if you have any questions, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.